You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. So y'all, today I'm going to be finally taking down this fall decoration. I am super late with getting up my Christmas tree and Christmas decoration because normally I like to put up my Christmas decoration like right after Thanksgiving. So I'm filming this video on December the 2nd. So yeah, I'm super late. So only thing I'm going to be doing in this video is just a little light cleaning and just taking down all my fall decoration. So the next video will be me putting up the Christmas tree and my Christmas decoration. So if y'all are interested and want to see that video, make sure y'all are subscribed and turn on your post notification and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy.
So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back.
So I'm just wondering, have y'all started Christmas shopping yet? Because I haven't. Like, I have done no shopping, and Christmas is 3 weeks away. And each year, it seems like I get later and later starting my shopping. I don't know what it is, but it's almost like Christmas catches me off guard every year because I'm always, late getting started. And I'm already late putting up my decoration and my tree. And I ain't even got the gifts to put up under the tree. So it's crazy. We all know 2020 has been a roller coaster, but y'all, this year has went by super fast. We 3 weeks away from Christmas and 4 weeks away from a brand new year. So yeah, I have done no shopping, y'all. I got to get it together because the closer it gets to Christmas, the crazier the stores get. The highway is busy, the stores are busy, lines long, and I ain't trying to be in that mess. I'd rather be at home, me some chocolate chip cookies, with my feet propped up, watching some good Christmas movie or something, other than being out here in these crazy stores because it's gonna get crazy. And I'm pretty much setting myself up because I ain't did no shopping. But anyway, I'm going to try to do some online shopping and, a few in-store shopping. But it's a little different for me, y'all, because my children are older. They're teenagers and they already got a lot of stuff. So it ain't too much that they need other than shoes and clothes. But I'm still going to get them some more stuff. But I do have nieces and nephews who are smaller, but when you're shopping for teenagers, it's a little different than shopping for small kids. So that's probably why I ain't did no shopping, because my children already got a lot, and it ain't too much that I need to buy. So but yeah, I was just wondering, have y'all started shopping yet, and when do y'all normally start shopping and all that? I said I was going to do Walmart layaway this year, but I ended up letting that pass me by. But anyway, so yeah, I was just wondering, have y'all started yet? So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want to see me decorate for Christmas, that video will be coming up after this one. So make sure y'all subscribe, turn on your post notification, and all that. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's pretty much it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.